Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are here at Ocean City, Maryland at Francis Scott Key Resort. So before we get into this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell for another amazing video like this one.
Let's go explore this resort. Come with me.
Francis Scott Key is located along Route 50, opposite of the Tangler Outlets. This relaxing and laid-back family resort was built back in 1953, which is only 1 mile from the Ocean City boardwalk. The family resort is open year-round, offering over 230 rooms. This resort opens up into pirate ship called the Shipwreck Cove.
Make sure you shower before you get into the pool.
Get all excited because as you enter in, you come to a large swimming pool and relax on a lounge chair or dip into the pool.
So guys, this pool is so amazing. It's so very clean and there's so many chairs that you can lay at and get a suntan as well as getting into the pool if you're a little bit hot. It is super big and they even have a splash pad for people that might not exactly want to get into the water. And over there is the spot where jets come out and it'll spin it all around. And there's a little seating area right here. That's where I'm standing at right now. And there's plenty of umbrellas that if you don't want to get the sun on you, you can go and get under the umbrella so then you don't get any sun on you if that's what you like.
Relaxing by the pool has been wonderful and amazing, and while we relax on the lounge chair, the kids can play in the pool. But don't forget, the kids want you to enjoy the water with them. Come on in, play with me. Enjoy the sun rays and the excitement of vacation. Francis Scott Key has it all. Going to get a little hungry? Don't forget the bar for that special drink. Even place a dollar bill on the ceiling among the rest. Orange Crush, and all the different amenities. Want to enjoy some golf?
It's golden but metallic, but
Pick out your color ball. Would it be silver? And walk down the walk and start off with hitting the ball through the log. Almost a hole-in-one. Then Isabella comes up again. Go ahead, Levi.
Dad, of course it was this close to going in.
You will not get exhausted or get bored with playing miniature golf at Francis Scott Key. It has so many different varieties of balls. Even hit it into the skull and watch it come out for hole-in-one. Move on through the course and slam that ball through the cannon. Okay, finish up the golf with the last hole, so you can enjoy rest of your time at Francis Scott Key. As we explore the rest of the resort, let's head back to see what the back has to offer. Volleyball court, a little kids playground, and a basketball courts, all for you to enjoy. Just don't forget your balls. Francis Scott Key offers a shuttle bus back and forth to the beach. Come on in, have a seat, because we're headed to the beach.
Okay, so now we're just going to wait here for a little bit and wait for more people if they tend to show up, since it runs every 30 minutes. So after we pick up everyone who wants to join us, then we'll head off to the beach. Okay guys, so now we got off the bus and now headed to the beach.
Do you see the beach? Let's go.
Okay guys, so here we are on the sand right now. We're walking on a little pathway to get up here to the beach, and well, we're almost here, and let me just say there's a lot of people, but I'm sure it's going to be really fun. I really enjoy riding the waves, especially the ones that are super huge that I can hardly get over or ride in, because it's always fun whenever you have one of the biggest waves that you can ride the whole way in. Now let's leave the beach and head back to the resort. Hey, let's head into the indoor pool and see what that looks like.
Inside, right before the indoor pool, there's an arcade area where the kids can play many games. Don't forget, you need those exercises to offset those evening meals. As we enter into the indoor pool for those days that are cloudy or rainy outside, enjoy the themed atmosphere of the Caribbean and the pirates. Enjoy the pipe waterfalls, the dumping buckets of water. Watch out for the pirate, don't fall on your head. Swim and swim and swim some more. Enjoy the wonderful slide. There are many tables around that you can place your belongings.
Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sadly, our time here has come to an end. So just please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell for another amazing awesome video like this one. Now, we're going to head to the shower, get dressed, and then leave.